Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Josie here and I'm back at you with another video. So today's video is a requested one. This was requested under my previous upload, which is me installing this particular hair. Now in the video I talked about how I maintain and wrap this hair up at night, but then I did so verbally and you all wanted me to put it in a video, and so here we are. Also personally, I think this video is long overdue because I have a couple of Yankee 2 crochet installation tutorial on the channel, yet zero maintenance. But then again, I believe it's partially because this hair doesn't really require much to maintain. Now moving on, I've had this hair in for 6 weeks now. I'm in the 7th week, and as you can see, there are some new growth which I think even looks better this way. So let's begin with the maintenance. I do so with only these 3 products. As said earlier, this hairstyle is a low maintenance protective style, and so I only do this when necessary. I do this whole routine once or twice a week. So to make it easier, I'll be doing it in sections. I'll have my hair sectioned into 4. Taking out the first section, I'll spray in some water. I'll spray in just a bit, although the hair is not human hair. That's help with detangling. Now speaking of detangling, I'm not using a brush or a comb. Don't let the curls fool you. It's all a twist for starters. Using a brush or a comb will easily tangle it up, so just use your fingers to finger comb through. The water can stand on its own, but I go in with the mousse to reinforce and help with the frizz. It's the same technique. I apply and then finger comb through. Now to finish it up, I'll massage some hair serum into my scalp, and with the residue left in my palm, I'll rub it on the twist. And by the way, my hair serum is a mixture of shea and olive oil. So I usually leave it at this point, but you can add in a curling cream or a leave-in conditioner if you prefer. That's the first section done, and as you can see, there is no frizz or tangles at all. So I'll go ahead and quickly do the same for the rest of the sections. I'm done with the entire sections, and that's how it looks. That's basically all I do to keep this hair moisturized and fresh. So even though this hair is water friendly, I do not wash it while I have it installed. I do this routine to keep the hair fresh till I take them out. Again, this style can be done under 2 hours, so if you feel like your scalp is dirty and needs to be refreshed, just take the twist out and wash your hair and then have them reinstalled. Also, with the new growth around the edges, you can brush it into the twist or do your baby hairs with it. It looks cute either way. The twist never unravels on its own, so you can have it installed as much as you want if you take good care of it. And if you want to switch up the style, you can untwist or unravel it. I have a couple of videos on here where I tried that method, so you can check those out if you want. Again, that's one aspect of the maintenance. The next is wrapping it up. Always make sure the hair is completely dry before you put on your bonnet. You can leave it to air dry or blow dry to dry it out faster. Now I wrap up the hair with a bonnet and a satin scarf. So mostly I just push the hair into the bonnet like I'm doing here. However, sometimes I put the hair in a bun before I put on the bonnet. I do this mostly when I want the hair a little bit stretched in the morning. Once I have the bonnet on, the next thing to do is to put on the scarf. So I wrap the scarf to secure the bonnet in because I don't want the bonnet sliding off my head while I sleep. So yeah, I'm now ready to go to bed. That's basically all I do to maintain and care for this hair while I have it installed. I had it in for an extra week before taking them out, and I plan on reinstalling it. So that'll be all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.